Go. Go. I'm Papa, thank you! Hi, FUWAMOCO! If you're going to be around Tokyo, have you heard the new train jingles? Oh, train jingles! New ones? I think it started last year, but a lot of the old ones seem to be getting Really? I only heard my favorite, se se ragi, at a single station last month. Really? Wait, how does se se ragi go again? I can't remember. One second. Train jingles are very important to us. Can I listen to it? 等一下。What's it getting replaced by? They didn't consult us. Huh? Is it getting replaced by FUWAMOCO? They didn't consult us though. A train jingle is a big thing in Japan. They are. Yeah, so 日常生活に欠かせないもの. Yeah, it's important for daily life. You know, you need them. It's this station. Different stations have different jingles and stuff. Especially, you know, like if Takada no Baba. It has what's it? It has a special jingle too. Yes. They're all different. They're all different, special to the location. Yes. That's why are they getting replaced? Why? Is it important? You like how the announcer says Takada no Baba? It's Takada no Baba. Takada no Baba. Shibuya. Right? They wanted to standardize it. What? That doesn't need to happen. You know, if you hear the jingle, you know what station you're at. You know, so if you're like half asleep, then you can just it just kind of floats into your ears and like, okay, time to wake up, go. You know. Yeah, I love the jingles. They're important. Why? Have we ever talked about how we sleep on trains? No? Like this. Perfectly balance our heads. Because they don't provide pillows on the trains, right? No, so they just bounce. Just like that. If we want both sleep. If one just wants to sleep, then usually it's FUWAMOCO-chan. Yeah, just like that. It's a bit embarrassing though. But sometimes if you're sleepy, then it can't be helped. Because you know, if you want to sleep, you can't sleep with someone on your shoulder, right? So then you just go balance. Yeah. You bet the racer has a picture of that! I would be surprised. Oh, bye!